my channel. So today I will be showing you how I made my own cover pink, cover nude polygel. So I just squeeze a little bit of the clear polygel, then the white polygel, So for the nude color, I choose Love Me Nude by Madam Glam. All the products that I use will be in the description down below. Don't add too much gel polish because it will be sticky and liquidy. I also made a glitter mix using the natural clear polygel, and then I added some white glitter. Now I'm applying the base coat that is also included in the kit. It will also be in the description down below. I will apply a even layer on all my nails, then cure them for 30 seconds in a LED lamp. I'm scooping a little bit of the cover pink polygel, then applying it to the dual form. I'm using rubbing alcohol as my slip solution, then dragging the polygel downwards and checking if there are any air bubbles. And if there are, just use your brush and squeeze on the polygel and then cover it up again. After you're satisfied with how your polygel is on your dual form, you can apply it on your nails. Slightly squeeze it and remove any excess polygel using your brush and alcohol. Then cure them for 60 seconds in a UV lamp or LED lamp. So for my ring finger, I will be creating a glitter ombre with the glitter mix that I made and the cover pink. I'm taking a tiny bit of the glitter mix, then applying it to the free edge where your free edge will be. Start by creating the free edge, then slightly feather it out. Now you can cure it for 20 seconds in a LED lamp. After that, it will look like this. It will be hardened. Now take a tiny bit of the cover pink PolyGel, then apply it on the cuticle area where your nail bed will be, and again slightly feather downwards to the free edge to create a ombre. I did all the nails, and this is what they look like after I've cured them. Carefully removed my dual forms, then I shaped, filed, and buffed my nails. So this is what the nails look like. I hope you guys like this video and comment down below what you think. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Comment down below which video you want to see next, and don't forget that all the products that I use will be in the description down below, so go check it out. Till another time, bye!